What's good, my people? Back again with another how to lace, best way to lace swap, all that good stuff. I don't know what you call it. I don't even know what I'm going to call it. But yeah, basically, if you don't know, the Jordan 1 Low Chicago comes with a black pair, not laced up. This would have been the previous video if you watched it. Comes like this, and you got to lace them up. However, they do come with a pair of white laces. Simple pair, sort of simple pair, yeah. Laces, isn't it? It's white laces. So I want to see for myself, because I've seen online, I've seen pictures, I've seen all that good stuff. I want to see for myself what lace I like. Do I want to keep the black lace? Do I want to change it to this white lace? If I like white lace anyway, I'll change it to a different white lace, which is a bit better quality, as opposed to these standard Jordan laces, which I don't really like that much. They're a bit flimsy. Oh, I shouldn't have done that, should I? Oops, there we go. So all I'm going to do is just literally take that out. Simple bit done. I say simple bit done, like the whole thing of this isn't simple. First step, I like to do it together. Through the bottom laces, through the bottom hole. Grab it like this. And then just pull it through. Before you know it, you fail. Joking. So we got them there. Easy. Some people like to make it a bit tighter at the bottom. Sometimes people like to make it looser. Just depends on how you like it at the bottom. Mine will be a bit of a medium one. Then we're gonna go underneath. And again underneath. Underneath again. Underneath. 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 I think you get the gist. I mean, come on, man. You get the gist here. Some people like to thread it through the tongue. I don't want to. I don't really like it, to be honest. I don't know why. It's just a thing where I'm not really used to it, or I don't really like it. And I don't really do it. There we go. Lovely jubbly. And then you just tie up the lace. So these are quite loosely done. The whole way, really. Maybe I should have tightened them a bit more. Yeah, and then we just lace up the top. And job's a good one. I don't usually use the top two lace holes. I think this bit's just a bit too tight. This bit is just crazy. But yeah. Damn. I don't know what I'm going for. Both look so good. But I don't want to do mismatch because I'm not those people who mismatch laces. I don't know. I'm leaning a bit more to the white lace, but the black lace looks so good. So yeah, tell me below what you think I should do. Should I keep the black lace? Should I keep the white lace? What do you prefer? But yeah, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out the review for this shoe, the on foot for these, the other lace up, the how much height. All of those videos should be available for you to view now. Check out all the other content, and yeah, comment, share, subscribe, hype, all that good stuff. And take care, my people.